I'm here in the center of the pioneer fermentation factory, like the finished ripe tea, which means that it's almost done. Somebody they misunderstood ripe tea because since the very beginning, because ripe tea usually was pioneer fermented, and that would contain lots of microorganisms. So usually at the very beginning, for the first 1 or 2 weeks, usually in the room they may have lots of those microbes which looks like unclean. That is the misunderstanding about the ripe tea. And now you can see, of course, with better and better technologies, and here on the floor everywhere, either this pile or that pile, even the initial piles, they are very clean. And when we here standing in the room, we smell so great, just like as soon as we entered in the factory, we smell like the clean, some sugar cane and some flower aromas, especially the traditionally the Asian flavor. So how could the tea leaves be pioneer fermented? Yeah, we use sun-dried matcha and water those sun-dried matcha with 20 to 25, around 25% waters, and then pile them all together, covered with those clothes, with these clothes. And you can see it looks like foggy or salty, and you can see those leaves. Why they look like there are so many fungi? That's because this is under the pioneer fermentation exactly. The first a few weeks are very important for pioneer fermentation. So if somebody they saw the leaves like this, they may misunderstand the leaves. That's why I think it's very necessary to show you how the tea leaves properly being pioneer fermented, and how from the very beginning to the end. So those piles is around 10 days, and next to me those piles they are like in their 40 days, 40 to 45 days, 40 to 45 days. So you can see they are in different process and stages of the pioneer fermentation, and that's amazing. Even I am very close to this pile. I could smell that. I could have some contact engagement with those microbes. I think they are doing some great job. They are doing great job with pioneer fermentation, and in my mind, when I see the leaves, they are beautiful. They are beautiful. Yes. So you can see on our left side, just now we show these piles is around 10 days, and my right hand, those piles, they are around 40 days. And behind me, this big pile, now, those beautiful leaves. Those leaves are around 45 days. And after that, actually, this is stage that the pioneer fermentation is almost done. The pioneer fermentation is almost done. So after that, we are going to keep these piles for around another 1 month, 30 days, to keep the pioneer fermentation steadily and let it finally, gradually be mature enough. Then we are going to do the refining process. Yes. So actually, I'm really lucky to be here because I'm here in the center of the pioneer fermentation factory. I feel, I'm surrounded by those microbes, and those microbes are talking with me, whispering with me. That's amazing job. So next time, when somebody tells you that ripe tea is dirty, you're going to say no, because you can see how the environment looks like. It's clean, it's smelling so good. I think this is the magic about ripe tea. And you should also know that for all the food in the history, the fermented food, the tea, the wine, they are good. They are body beneficial. And of course, if you want to be close to those piles and learn more details about the teas, you know who you are going to contact. Thank you.